Is that we person need to complain before we will talk and we my guy here Facebook now complain now we kai gbe na hin matter you what's make a complain we dey see everything since I ask you we be seeing everything but the way when it come to the show say na interest na destiny dey sure you don't do everything we say you want to finish and for those who there's in a bagwa marriage war last year. Why are you guys lying? Why are you guys like this? Where? Like, are you kidding? No. There was nothing like that. At least if there's in a bagwa marriage war for seeing for this Facebook, you know, Maria. Okay, no, you're not to the lie. Now lie. Oh, my Maria, word is a side shaking when he born for man. You know, Maria. Roger. Facebook na manger when I go holiday, the religion holiday. Me, you see me say I go holiday. Or I go holiday, say I know they pass street of Facebook, they pass everywhere. They find things they go. You know, can be like the cause confusion. You know, Marian, what is a side shaking? What is a side shaking? Oh, my Maria, call. Oh, my darling. Hello. Hello, my lady. Good evening. Good evening, ma. May I put that for speaker? Yes. Okay. Yeah, it is speaker.
Okay. Not say that people they say a destiny marry Esther. I mean marry her word. Destiny no marry her word.
No, yeah.
Na baby mama. You
baby mama and
not the other word, not be born for destiny.
No. Yes.
Another woman they wait to go for away to America or Canada. That one I see baby mama. That will not marry any of them.
Now that one with the America.
Any of them.
No, now that one with the America. Now that one with the America. Sorry, my lady. Now destiny say he marry. Now once he don't do marriage.
Okay. He don't marry. Well, we don't know why the people they say get wife.
Which wife?
Maybe that one go first born. Then go first thing no say maybe first born for her.
Yes.
None of them be wife.
No.
So for me, two of them are side chick, one are side chick, one are baby mama.
Yes.
So I don't see any bad.
No,
I don't say Esther maybe.
Esther, no. Hello, ma. My lady, wait. They know they see, they know they call person side shaking when the person not married. Esther was a girlfriend. Why they don't want a baby mama? Esther never, she was never a side shaking. Now girlfriend. Esther was a girlfriend, not be side shaking. That was a mistake. Calling Esther a side shaking. Now marry. When you don't say marry, now they say if the friend person you say side shaking. Esther was a girlfriend.
Okay, that one are true. But me don't know why people they say you know say that if I get wife, if they go to the first year they put. Make them for our people, make that they go for brain. Me don't understand.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
Person when he not marry, if man not marry, they don't they confuse the whole thing. That's why some don't even know the difference between baby mama and even the marriage. You mind the difference. You are here and at this life you're say you're the friend man. Another girl with a friend that you go they call you side chick. Hey, wow, be like bicycle. Very low. I don't know what they call it. Illiterate them. Are you got the friend man with a friend? You're gonna call me side chick. You the Chris. Where your ring? Not until he's married, is not you are single, is not your husband. Not until he married either one. He not be your husband. That's why you see say man go feed a friend two girls, one go born for her. You go marry the other one when he not born. Because you guys were friending him without he never marry anyone of una. Esther was a girl. Now they call Esther side chic. When I know they call Esther side chic, Esther is not the side chic. Are you guys dumb? She was a girlfriend. And there's never what thought or you thought the person agree. Knowing knowing say Destiny Bagua open up to Esther say he get baby mama. And the baby mama no. Destiny Bagua said it on this live video that he introduced the two of them. This one no side the friend, this one no side the friend. The two of them were they said they want cup, not their cup. If a word now Destiny Bagua wife, why you can't agree? But say if you now your husband come meet you and now you pull ring for your hand, he go come tell you say he won't bring another woman. You go agree. Except say the man a billionaire like all those rich men, now the women no go get choice. Sure you no go agree. You no go agree say make the man no go even fit. He no go even fit can't tell you say he won't go the friend this one. I want the two of them make una know. They know they do one. Now because say the two of them no one be wife. That's why Destiny even get the gauze, the nails. Even introduce Esther to a word. And your tie, now you talk out. Now Destiny talk and he say he introduce the two of them because every word not being wife. So he tell her, you know now when I will tell her, it's like, I get another girlfriend, right? After all, you not be my wife, like you agree. You agree, you stay. Oh, you not agree, okay. Okay, bye-bye. But that word was like, in the buffer, yeah, bien nene, make us come. And there's never can get another plan with a word, made the two of them use them. That one can't they between because the one me they say and so he can't get another hiding plan. No, na mo evolution na the you have gonna go okay. May they use Esther and Esther. Anyway, I don't want to blame her because now kind of woman be that because that thing normally me I no go do. Now the way of mentality, all those old women, you know, way of thinking. Say man, get woman. And the man even talk and say he not go marry. What you want use and do like you go feel you even look and say you go feel even beer. Like how can you bear that kind of thing? Like me, I'm not go feel to it go hard though. Esther is the kind of all those old women when they feel beer man they deal with another woman. And you know like that say this Destiny Bagua. Now so he be. You for still get another man. You for still get another man. Wait till you have a man over here. Yes. Now hear me for blame. Oh wait till I over here. Yes now. You forget another one for corner. Oh we are over here. You get another one. Because me now me they talk and man we not the faithful to you, not the faithful to run. Now show you one play away. We are into the game as well. Who may introduce over here the man? He introduce you, give another one. You go introduce another man, see give and make una two. Make all of una day into the relationship. Share na open relationship, open marriage, or open whatever now you get. It's not good to be faithful. Esther was faithful to Destiny for what? What's it been on faithful to person when he get different baby mama, get different one everywhere. Faithful to that kind of person for what now? That will not be juju. I can be faithful to man when he get another woman, you know. Tomorrow, anytime can be 6 o'clock. You will get another one for a pian. So that why share? Because since he head not stable, you know already say he head when mamu dia fonpa is a sin for it. That I've said this thing before. Like some girls go their friend married men. Come on for my this thing. They go the day faithful to the married man, like no be juju be that. Is that not a juju? No, be say Esther, no, they see the handwriting, no, it was not, she was not seeing it because everything for this time you must see the sign. This one went Destiny because you see that quarrel when it happened. When you call they now so they be or they want to find where for it come. And they look then see everything where everything where they come, I was just watching. Because he don't do what he won't do. Like he don't get the gain. They will go, they find waiting they won't bring. They will go, they find waiting they won't bring just to give you an excuse say na that one. Now make the fight when it come at that period. You see the fight will come there everywhere. This one say na he made this one, that one say na he made that one. Excuse, I'm not gonna go excuse the way. Now the excuse be this. No. He no say everyone na young. Say everyone that they buy gold, that they buy presents, that they buy just to pepper Esther. Oh, no, he knows say that they do all those things. Area one now will not panel. No one, the woman when you fed there, why you not doing before? If you love her that much, why did you marry her before? Okay, sweetie. You can never be faithful to a man of any nation. Like, what do you mean by that? A man that is having another woman, how can you be faithful to him? Like, is that one not be juju? No, if a man is faithful to you, be faithful to him as well. And you see the life of your clothing now. If he's faithful, if he preach not be community P, be faithful to him. Be faithful to him. And as Esther even agree for that one, knowing and doing, Esther know and do. That's why there's that place when I be say, I know still blame that one too, because Esther know and do there. And Esther believe, Esther don't put the mind say there's never one in and now you're dead they go. Or man God need a plan. You know, say that the Bible get plan. He gets small cutting plan for inside. The intention was not, it was not 100% real. There was interest at the back of it. Based on say Esther get waiting you won't do for her. With Esther, he will feel achieve. If they carry Esther, they go carry a word journal. There's never, if you ask me, there's never what say he love Esther, love him. No, it was just a trade by barter. I don't know how people they say love. They even asked, and there was one record they was and say, why he not marry, whether he go marry Esther. He said, like, he say he not go marry anybody. Excuse again. Trade by barter. Now destiny do with Esther. You see how many people they do. If you do so, you see how they do. Now they are fellow ministers they do like this. So if now not that man, Cameroon or Guinea or Gambia, nice and me just now they follow that. Oh, you don't see our Benin brother. You don't see our Benin people there. Make you follow. Now Gambia you can't they follow. But if they do their women the thing, they know they look back. Esther use destiny take climb. Climb where the ladder. Then the ladder where the ladder when she climbed. Climb where? So more interest now Esther get. The one where you get the bigger one, now the destiny. Destiny have a bigger interest in it. Oh, I say you can never be faithful to a man. That is not in one place. Thank you, sweetie. Now I understand the comment. Thank you. How can you be faithful to a man that is not in one place? He not just, you know, say he's not committed to you. He not commit to you. He day here. Then you are called faithful to her. How can you be faithful to a person that has a woman? Which kind of life is that one? Like the life where they submit the women to, like, oh, they can anything you do, they say they can. Yeah, after all, now woman, you go take her. No. Not be all women, they take that kind of bullshit, that rubbish. What nonsense is that? Never get faithful. If to Esther get another, that Esther what or whatever you corner. Me I for like her where. Man. And Esther, you know what tell me say you don't know, say you don't see the signs. And the signs wow boom. Or what boom, because the signs always they did there, but we women we they stupid most of the time to the ignorant. I go beer, he go change, he go do this, until off by a rock. You go throw where you like basula, like use rag. Off you web, he go change, I love that. Me and the fella they go like that. And which man when you forget another one for corner? Why you not get another one for corner? Yes, man. Why I want a corner for the rainy days? Oh, then here, She be because he get another one for corner for happy. And she they carry away said, oh, gift. We have one way they are pian. Yes, they are the one way. Nobody they lose again. I didn't lose. He do any. Oh, what release there? But you see, the one way we say they do nana. That's how they are. Eriage. Or say is a forbidden thing. I want to be faithful to he goats like that. Umbano. Like, are you kidding? You know tomorrow can be 6 o'clock. You know, say this thing if you bend the head. Why not have one? So I hear me have a day. You know, because they feel superior, they feel no money they do like say, hey, Yogi this and Yogi wanna say why? Because he has succeeded in using you. Yeah, he has succeeded big time. Oh, sweetie. Hello? 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 I did like video, you know?
Yeah, I don't see all this.
I did like video now. You know, you don't see it on my page.
Man, you know, that's what you want.
Listen, they're going here.
I can't bear it.
Okay. You see, I'm not saying it good say you go get another spare for corner. You see, I say it good. Ben no say Destiny get another spare. If to say Destiny no get another spare, if you not do what you do so. When we know no what fear, no what we can now. You can't they do everything to prepare. Then you want me when we are we do life goes on. But when you can't do na conditions, okay, you not get person before. I say you na me mad when you see what that's why men. I can never I want no. You too ready to where you want no see me. No your fuck. You too ready to where you 50-50 one no. If you are being faithful, what share? Say your this thing not clear. Your this thing gonna do like this before you say Jack. If you go even surprised, say you will be like, if said yes, so you say your deal or wow. Got no time to even a time make it wrong. Women no go not to now. I can waste time. Not be all.